Hi friends, I'm going to teach you acupressure plus yoga. It is the combination of acupressure points and yoga. I developed it while treating my patients in easy way. How to do it when patient is not able to do as proper yoga, then you can do this acupressure points plus yoga that I have developed in my 20 years experience. Now in acupressure, in the auricular point in the ear, there are 200 points. So how to stimulate that 200 points? First, rub your hands. Do it with me. Rub your hands till it warm, hot. It becomes hot now. You feel hot. Now index finger behind ear and other three fingers over it. Then vigorously massage it. Hello, my friends. I am today going to teach you acupressure plus yoga. It is developed by me while treating my patients. I have told them in simple way acupressure points plus yoga. Now, first we can rub ear, because here in ear there are 200 more points. How to stimulate all the points? Now we can learn with this program. First, rub all both hands vigorously till it becomes hot. It should become hot. Now I feel hot. Now with the index finger behind the ear and other three fingers over it, both hands rub vigorously till the earlobe becomes hot. Do not hold it and pull the ear up and down. Just move over it, fingers over it. Okay, got it? Now next exercise, crook your index finger and insert in the ear hole and pull it down. You see here. Here there is hard point and it is stimulated. Hard pressure releases while pulling this point. Next point, next exercise. In the pinch of the finger, pull the earlobe downward direction. Do it 3 to 4 times and feel the freshness. Now, index finger in front of ear tragus. This is called ear tragus. Okay. Now keep your index finger just over it and open your mouth. You feel depression here. Okay. And with open mouth, massage it. Here trigeminal nerve is there. One branch goes to ophthalmic branch. Second to the nasal branch. And third, lower jaw, inguinal lower jaw. You feel fresh. This benefits in dizziness, vertigo, and deafness and tinnitus in the ear. It is beneficial, and this you can do at any time, anywhere, and in the morning also at as soon as you wake and get out of the bed. This is new exercise for you. Massage the nose. Make hot your palms, rub it vigorously, and then massage nose. Index finger just outside the nostril. Here is LI20 point, and other fingers over it, and from here, center of the eyebrow and up to hairline. Massage it. Here you will find, like our motor vehicle, carburetor works like nose to our body lung system. Nose, another function is it makes hot water, hot air supply to lung system. With massaging nose, you will never get common cold and bronchitis, blockage of nose. Then next exercise, just pinch like this, index finger and thumb, and from nose edge, from here to here, massage it. Nose tip to center of eyebrow. Then with middle finger, edge of the nose from upper lip to philtrum and edge of the nose up to natural hairline. Massage like this. This is done for freshness, and after getting out of the bed, you can do it anytime, anywhere. There is no restriction of heavy stomach or empty stomach or full stomach. You can do it. Next exercise, we'll go massaging all the joints of the hands. Mainly, their massage with right hand to left wrist, like this circular massage, a dorsal side and middle side, dorsal side and middle side, left hand to right hand, right wrist, left side, dorsal side to left side, dorsal side to left side. Here in the acupuncture, there are yuan source point. Yuan source points benefits in chronic disease. This, by massaging this portion, you will feel pressure on the heart, it decreases. It is beneficial to heart, lung system, and rheumatism of the wrist, small joints pain. Then second massage to elbow with right hand, left elbow massage, massage to the left elbow, and with left hand to the right elbow, massage this. This relieves damp heat from the stomach. And trimming of the hands, it is beneficial for trimming on the hand. Another exercise is stretch inner hand, inner side. Before writing, you cannot trimmer while signature. Then third massage of the hand is joint is shoulder massage. With right hand, you massage shoulder from here, back side to lower side, front side, posterior to anterior side, massage the shoulder, and with left hand to right shoulder, from posterior side to anterior side. Massage 3 times. This is major joint of the hand massage. This benefits in hormonal imbalance, pringling in the hands, frozen shoulder, etc. Now meridian massage I will teach you. All three yin meridians are descending channels from shoulder to elbow and from elbow to wrist. Massage to downward direction, medial side, left hand to right hand. Do it 3 times. You feel energy flowing from here, from downward direction. If you massage like this, you will not feel. You feel from this direction, downward direction. Here, heart, lung system and heart and pericardium, 3 yin channels are here. By massaging this, heart function, pericardium function, cardiovascular function, lung system improves. And after that, dorsal massage is there, dorsal hand. There are 3 yang channels, 2 ascending channels, hand ascending channels. You can massage this like this. From dorsal hand to wrist, wrist to elbow, elbow to tricep, tricep to shoulder. Do this 3 times. And with left hand to right hand. From downward to upward direction. From down to upward direction. This is hand massage. Now, same time, 3 joints of the legs. Massage right hand to left leg, knee. Massage like this. Circular direction. Here is also on the ankle, there are ion source coils which have maximum energy of the channel, and it is beneficial in the chronic disease, urogenetical problem, ankle joint problem, rheumatism of the legs. Now, with left hand, you can massage to the right ankle like this. Then next, we can massage the knee. Left hand to right knee. Okay. By massaging, here it is beneficial to knee joint, osteoarthritis, hair fall. Now you can massage with right hand to left knee like this. After that, massage to acupuncture channels on the leg side. On the medial side of the leg, there are 3 yin channels from the upward direction. They are upward direction. Massage like this. From medial malleolus to the knees and knees to thighs, inner thighs. Massage like this. You feel the energy is flowing. If you massage like this, you will not feel the energy. You feel here. Same process with right hand to left leg. Medial side from down to upward direction. To the upward direction, massage like this. Here are 3 channels, yin channels, medial side from downward to upward direction, down to upward direction. And other 3 yang channels are downward direction. From front of the thigh, you massage downward direction like this. And from lateral of the thigh, lateral side of the leg, here is gallbladder channel, massage like this. I'm showing you with extended leg, with upward side leg hanging. You can do it by keeping it down. Okay. And right hand to lateral thigh like this, lateral side of the leg. And then urinary bladder channel from lumbar region to back of the thigh, back of the knee, like this, up to here. This massage can do at the time, you can do at the time of bath, in bathroom, or anytime, anywhere, when you get free time. After that, we will massage the chest like this. Extend index finger and thumb, and from center at the level of nipple, you massage from here to upward direction. Here are kidneys, 22 to 27 points, and it beneficial to lung system, restlessness, heart problems, and fear. Now I'll show you lumbar traction. This you can do at any time, anywhere, in the driving or in the traveling in the railway or bus. Heel of the palm. Put it in over the groin, inside the groin, close to the groin. You see here I am showing you here. Now press the heel of the palm by extending elbow like this. Release, extend. You feel stretching of the spine from shoulder upward direction, and for lumbar downward direction. Lumbar spine is stretched downward direction. This is lumbar traction. It is beneficial for lumbago, lumbar pain, low back pain, tingling in the legs. Then I'll show you neck traction. Interlace both hands, finger, then hold it below the skull, and elbow should be close together, and raise your neck upward direction. Now you can take variation like this to the right side and to the left side. This is cervical traction. You can do anytime, anywhere. Now head massage. Interlace both hands, fingers, and thumbs outside. Keep the thumb inside of the eyebrow. Inside of the eyebrow. Okay. Now slide the thumbs up to center of the forehead. Then lock should be there. Do not release the lock. Slide the thumbs like this. Slide this, and above the ear and back of the ear, massage 3 times. here is UV 2 point, GB14, GB34, GB10, 9, 10, and GB19 and 20 points are acupressure by the thumb. This you feel instant freshness and benefits in eye vision, blur eye, diplopia, double vision, and mental freshness. Now we will punch the sacrum foramen, clench the fingers and fist like this, and punch here below the belt. Punching the sacrum, you will benefits in urogenital problems, lumbago, low back pain, pringling in the legs. So these are the acupressures with yoga. You can do anytime, anywhere. For detail, you can purchase the book with my previous video. I will show you.